Hi guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am very happy to be filming because I'm going to be filming one of my subscribers' video requests, and she's actually a friend of mine. Her name is Tina, and she has her own lash company and lash brand. So if you want to check out her company, I'll put the link in the description box, so make sure you guys check her out. She has amazing lashes. But yeah, she requested this video, and that was to do a makeup skincare traveling kit. And I really liked the idea because I actually do have one, but because of the pandemic and just everything that's going on right now, traveling is not a thing. I hope nobody's out there traveling right now. I hope everyone is staying safe, staying home, social distancing. It's important to be considerate of those around you and just be considerate of everything that's going on right now. So don't travel, stay home, be responsible. Yeah, this is my travel bag and I am going to be telling you guys about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post. Alright, so enough talking, and with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so as I already stated, this is my little travel bag. It is just a cute Cosmetics bag that they actually sent me when I purchased some of their items. This beautiful clear packaging. I just love this kind of material because I find that it is just like very bendable, if that makes sense. Like you can stick it in a suitcase and it'll be fine. I'm not sure if you can actually buy this from the Cosmetics website. All right, enough talking. Getting into the actual stuff in the bag. So the first thing I want to talk about in my traveling kit bag is the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm by Glow Recipe. Now, I love cleansing balms because they strip away your makeup, they clean your face without drying out your skin and taking away any of its moisture. They actually leave your skin very soft and supple, so I really like cleansing balm. The Glow Recipe one is one of my favorites. I really like how this makes my skin feel, but a more affordable option is the Versed Cleansing Balm. I'll pop a photo up right here. You can get it at Target, and they do offer a mini size. This entire bag is mainly just mini items because I hate dealing with like big, chunky, bulky packaging. Mini sized items are your friend and they are very affordable. So yeah, this is just a necessity in my makeup bag because it works as a cleanser, it works as a makeup wipe for taking off all your makeup. So it's a 2-in-1 and it is small and leaves your skin feeling amazing. Now next is my moisturizer, and this is the Vegan Milk Moisturizer, and this is also the mini size, and it is extremely small, but there is quite a lot of product in there. And with this moisturizer in particular, it is a very rich and silky moisturizer, so a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot, and this has been my go-to moisturizer lately because I feel like it's a perfect in between of being a rich moisturizer but also just like a very lightweight moisturizer. Really hydrates my skin, really moisturizes the surface of my skin, so I really love this moisturizer. It is just a must-have when you go traveling. Now, the next item I want to talk about is the Supergoop Glow Screen SPF Face Cream. So this is a SPF for your face, and SPF is so incredibly important just to protect your skin from the sun and protect yourself from future like aging spots. And Supergoop is one of the like most popular SPF brands. They have a lot of different SPF options, I guess you would say. Like they have a matte one, a glowy one, a unseen one, which I also have and I love that one. And this one is the glow screen, so this one's gonna make you look very glowy, so I also like this one. And this is the mini size as well. Like I said, everything is gonna be mini sized, and this has SPF 40. Yes, 40, so it is a lot of SPF, so it'll definitely protect you from the sun. And I just really enjoy the Supergoop brand, so this is a must-have in my travel kit. When you're traveling, you're usually outside going from place to place, so protecting yourself from the sun is a must. So you need your SPF. So the next item is a lip balm, and this is my current favorite. It is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, and this is in the flavor Gummy Bear. I specifically only got it not for the flavor, but because it was purple, and purple is my favorite color. But this is an amazing lip balm. It is just extremely nourishing, feels so amazing on the lips, and it is really glossy, so I do like glossy lip balms. If you don't like that, this is probably not for you. And the gummy bear smell is just so yummy. I want to eat it. They have other flavors too, so they have a lot of variety to choose from. It's also not too bulky, which is a plus compared to my Glossier ones. They're a tad bigger, so the Laneige one is a perfect one to bring when you're traveling. You need lip balm when you're traveling because you're gonna be showering and washing your face, and you know, you're gonna be out and about. If it's winter, your lips are gonna be dry if you don't protect them. So lip balm is always a must-have when you're traveling, and this Laneige one is just my personal favorite. All right, so for primer, I have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now, I really like this primer, mostly because it is extremely hydrating and cooling on the skin. I personally am not a fan of tacky primers. I don't know why, but when I am traveling, you know, I don't have the time to touch up my makeup, or like I'm gonna be out and about all the time, so I want my makeup longevity to be really long. So a grip primer is going to do that for me. So this is one of those cases where I will wear a tacky primer, but I like the Milk one specifically because it is not extremely tacky. This one's just a very nice slight tackiness. It'll keep my makeup on all day. Now, finally getting into makeup, the first item I'm going to talk about is my Glossier Stretch Concealer. And you guys hear me talk about this all the freaking time. And this doesn't sit in my travel bag because I do like using this every single day. This is like my holy grail concealer. I love it so much. But if I was to travel, I would plop this into my traveling bag because it is small and compact. I love the formula. So creamy, so blendable, just melts into the skin, natural, dewy, everything I want out of a concealer. And this does work great too as like a foundation, I guess you would say. So what I like doing is not only concealing under my eyes, but any spots I need to cover like on my cheeks, I just take my finger and dab it, and it works just fine. Oh, another thing about all these products that are in my travel kit bag is that you can use your fingers for all of these products. So for example, my Glossier Stretch Concealer, I actually don't apply it with a brush or a sponge. My favorite way to apply this is actually with my finger. All right, next is blush, and these are actually my current favorite. I kind of have re-fallen in love with them again, and it is the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Sticks. So I really like Milk because they always offer the smaller sizes, which are still very practical sizes for a much more affordable price. But I love these because they are so incredibly natural looking and just blend onto the skin effortlessly. So it is just like a really compact little packaging, and you just swipe it on really quick and easy, and literally with just 2 strokes it'll blend into your skin. So that's why I really like these. I actually prefer these over their other cream blushes. Those ones are kind of stiff, so they're actually kind of hard to blend. But my favorite shade is this one, Glimmer, and it's just like a really natural red mauve color. Now for bronzer, I have the Tarte Sea Breezy Mini Bronzer. They do offer a mini size, and I think it's only like 14 bucks. So this is fairly new because I used to have the Milk Makeup Mini Bronzer, but like I said, I'm just not a fan of that formula because it's just a little bit stiffer than I remember. It's not as creamy and blendable as other products that I've been using. So I'm really happy that Tarte came out with a mini size because now I can pop this into my traveling kit bag because this is an extremely creamy bronzer and you can just use your fingers to blend this out. Now for highlight, I am not like the biggest highlighter wearer. If anything, I want my highlight to just be like a very natural dew. This is the Glowy Super Gel Liquid Highlighter in the shade Star Glow. So it's kind of just like a really pretty natural dewy enhancer, I guess you would say. So this is a great highlighter to have in my traveling kit. Now for eyebrows, I have my Glossier Boy Brow in the shade Black. I really like packing my Glossier Boy Brows in my traveling kit bags because they are very small, so it's very easy to travel with, and these are also just so easy to apply. This is one of the products that I apply on my brows, and my brows are just done. I don't have to do anything else to them. I don't have to fill in my brows or anything with them. It's just really amazing, really quick, really good for on the go and traveling. Now for eyeshadow, it is extremely hard to pack an eyeshadow palette without it being bulky. So what I pack is my Kaja Bento Box eyeshadows. These are so cute, so small and compact. You literally get all of your shadows in this cute little bento box. Very convenient for traveling. You only get like 3 shades, and I am not like an extreme eyeshadow wearer, so I don't really do a lot with my eyeshadow. So I like the shade Chocolate Dahlia. It is just a very neutral, natural eyeshadow palette. But if you do like wearing bolder colors, they do have other color options. So the Kaja Bento Boxes are great eyeshadow palettes, I guess you would say, to pack when you are traveling because they take up literally no room. Now for mascara, I have my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in the mini size, and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is just like a classic, an OG. I specifically like this one for traveling because it coats my lashes very quickly and makes them look the way I want them to look very fast. So I really like packing this mascara specifically for traveling reasons. Now I have 3 lip options. So the first one I'm going to talk about is my mini Kosas lip oil. So I don't know if they sell these minis anymore, but I bought a set of 3, and this one is my personal favorite. It is in the shade Dip. It is just a very comfortable lip oil, so it'll nourish your lips all day long while still looking very glossy and pretty and just adding color to your lips. So I really like packing this Kosas lip oil. Now the next lip product is my Glossier Gen G lipstick in the shade Zip. So this is just a really pretty basic red matte lipstick. So it's just a really sheer matte lipstick, and that's why I like these Gen G lipsticks, because they are meant to be sheer and buildable. But since my makeup is just very natural, I do just prefer my Glossier Gen G matte lipsticks, and they aren't bulky. They're very sleek, very skinny, great for traveling bags. Now the last lip option I want to talk about is the Kosas Sport Lip Balm, and this is the hyaluronic lip balm, so it has hyaluronic acid in it. And so this is a tinted lip balm, so it will give your lips a really nice wash of color. This is in the shade Rush. It is just a really pretty Your Lips But Better color. I really love this lip balm because it is extremely moisturizing, and I think it just makes my lips look so incredibly natural. If my lips are feeling very dry that day and I don't want to do any other lip product, but I still want a really pretty wash of color on my lips, I like opting for my Kosas lip balm. Now the last product is optional, and that is just a makeup sponge, and this is the e.l.f. one that comes in a trio pack, and this is the medium sized one, because in the trio pack you get a large, a medium, and a small, and the medium sized is literally just the perfect size, not too small, not too big. It works great for under eyes and for spreading foundation all over your face. So if I'm going anywhere, this is the sponge that I am packing. Now this last one doesn't fit in my bag, but it is just an extra bonus, I guess. So it is the Pacifica Watermelon Seed Body Butter. Are amazing, and they're very small and convenient to pack. The formula of this is so amazing. They make your skin literally feel so hydrated, so moisturized, and smell amazing. This watermelon smell is so yummy. It smells so good. Alright guys, that was my travel bag or travel kit with just skincare and makeup. I hope you guys really liked this video or found it helpful. But if you're traveling, I hope it's for important reasons, because Again, I just want to re-emphasize, try to stay home because of the pandemic. Yeah, I know this video is kind of not really important right now because of everything, but you know, my subscriber slash friend requested it, so I just really wanted to do it for her. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.